Hello everyone, welcome to another System Zones video. In this video I am going to show how to configure MikroTik Hotspot HTTPS redirect. By default MikroTik Hotspot provides HTTP login, so when you visit a HTTP website, MikroTik Hotspot will redirect you to the HTTP login page. But today most of the website uses HTTPS, so when you visit a HTTPS website, MikroTik Hotspot will not be able to redirect you to the HTTP login page. Configuring HTTPS in MikroTik router, we can solve this HTTPS redirect issue. There are 3 steps to configure HTTPS redirect in MikroTik Hotspot. First, we need to create TLS certificate for HTTPS server. Then we need to enable HTTPS in MikroTik router, and then we need to enable HTTPS redirect in MikroTik Hotspot. Now we will do these steps in our MikroTik router. First, log in MikroTik router. To create TLS certificate, go to System and Certificates. First we will create CA certificate and then we will create server certificate. So click plus sign and put a meaningful name, CA, and some extra information. Locality, organization, and then unit. Put command name and the validity will be 10 years, and from key uses we will keep only CRL sign and key search sign option, and click apply. Now we will create server certificate, so I am now copying this and name it Hotspot server, command name Hotspot server. Key uses we will keep digital signature, key encryption, and TLS server. Apply. Yes. Okay. Now we will sign our creator certificate. First we will sign CA certificate, so sign and CA CRL host will be our LAN gateway, so my LAN gateway is on addresses. Okay, 221 and then start sign. Done. Now we will sign our server certificate with this CA certificate, so sign and then Hotspot server CA and then start. Done. We need to enable trusted. Apply. Okay. Now we will enable HTTPS in MikroTik router. So go to IP and then services and then www SSL and certificate will be hotspot server. Apply. Okay, and also I need to enable it. Okay. Now we will enable HTTPS in MikroTik hotspot. So go to IP and then hotspot and then go to server profiles. Click on your active server profile and then choose login and login by HTTPS. Now choose SSL certificate, hotspot server and HTTPS redirect. Apply. Okay. Now visit any HTTPS site such as systemzone.net and we will able to get HTTPS login page. Okay. If we log in, we will get internet successfully. This is for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, please put in comment, and if you are a newcomer, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.